Q services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and also TikTok. Right, so what we've got here is the old type Karcher Electrodes, the HDS 750, also the 580. Now, you can really tell which of these are in the marketplace for the Karcher, because reason being most electrodes nowadays have got an end on them, which is on here that you push on. Now on your spark cap you'll find that you've no little nodule inside, then it grabs against the thread. So like I say, these are for the HDS, old type machines. I'll just give you some measurements there roughly. So the porcelain itself, as you'll see, roughly about 75-80 mil in length on that side. The full length of it, you're talking about 1100 mil. Diameters, and you've got it. So widest part to widest part, 15 mil, just over. The length, then also got this part here, which will measure from there to there. Like I say, you can't really go wrong because they're the only ones in the marketplace for the HDS. Now when you come set them up, these are not too hard to set up, but they can be. The gap again, you're looking roughly about 3 mil between them. So you're turning these, you've got the 2 nuts on the top, the 3 nuts actually, that's locking them in place. And you've got roughly about 3 mil gap between. If you need to close them in a touch, you might need to. That's what you're looking at when you're setting them all up and getting them right. So all you're doing is twisting and turning and locking them off and tightening them down. You can't go too far down into the thing. They're set on that side, they will only twist and turn clockwise and anti-clockwise. And they're for the HDS Karcher. Thank you very much. Q services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube and TikTok.